Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a nautical themed cake, one I haven't done before, so this will be fun. Let's get started.
This is a 2-tiered cake dummy. I just didn't want to eat this cake myself, lacking an event to take to. So I frosted the bottom tier, which was a 6-inch cake dummy. I frosted it with vegan American buttercream, then I did the 4-inch tier on a piece of cardboard. I mixed some navy blue fondant by starting with blue fondant and adding a bit of black and some blue gel food coloring. I got blue food coloring all over my hands in this process. After I washed my hands, I rolled out some white fondant and covered the bottom tier with it. I smoothed it on with my hands and trimmed off the excess with a knife. Then I covered the top tier the same way. And I stacked the top tier onto the bottom tier. No dowels necessary for a cake dummy. But I wasn't happy with the cake board. I mixed some blue fondant with a whole bunch of white to make light blue. I rolled it into a U shape, but I noticed it didn't quite fit well. So I cut out a larger hole out of the middle and wrapped it around the cake and onto the cake board. I trimmed it at the edge of the board and patched the gaps with more light blue fondant. When I was happy with that, I rolled out a few strips of navy blue fondant and wrapped them around the bottom of the tiers. Then I rolled out some more navy blue fondant and freehand cut out an anchor. And placed it on top of the cake. Then I rolled out some white fondant into a thick snake and put it in my clay extruder and extruded some lines of white fondant. I pulled them into groups of 3 lines and twisted them together to make a rope. Then I draped it on the cake board to cover any seams and onto the top tier of the cake. Then I made a bunch more ropes and draped them in different places around the cake board and onto the cake itself. As a final touch, I placed some silver dragées onto the navy blue stripe to kind of look like the rivets on a naval ship. I am so happy with this cake. It has lovely clean lines and the strong contrasting colors. It's so reminiscent of naval ships and uniforms. It's beautiful. For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakerin germany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for a new cake video every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we've uploaded a new video.